Hi, welcome to the course Pull-Up for Beginners. My name is Henrik Nielsen. I'm a certified CrossFit L1 trainer and also the head coach of CrossFit Landskrona in Sweden. Furthermore, I'm the co-founder of FitsMe that delivers online bodyweight fitness plans for any fitness level. So, in this course I will teach you how to master the pull-up. The course is especially designed for beginners, meaning you who can't do a pull-up yet or just a few. Our goal is to either have you do your first pull-up or increase the amount. As you are looking at this right now, you probably already have several reasons why you want to master pull-ups. But let me just give you some of the most important reasons that I know. Pull-up is the #1 exercise to build a strong upper back. A correctly done pull-up is a compound exercise, which means that we are using a lot of muscles to do it. Pull-ups will help to develop a good posture. And finally, a strong back simply looks good. To reach that goal, I have carefully designed a 12-week progression plan for you. During that time, you will work with some of the best exercises for improving pull-ups. And I will go through every week in detail so you know exactly what to do. In the course, I will also go through other subjects like what kind of pull-up bar should you buy if you don't have one yet? How should you work with progression? How to eat to support your goal? And what could next step be when you have mastered the pull-ups? During the last couple of years, I have basically helped people with pull-up every single day. If not one-to-one in my CrossFit Box, then with my online programming. I therefore know from experience what works and what doesn't. And not only on my own body, but for any kind of body type, age and gender. All this knowledge I have put down to a structured and simple to follow course just for you. I hope that you will enjoy the course just as much as I did making it, and I'm looking forward to see you again inside the course.